कभी लैग करता है Discord is
Wait.
And we are live. Hello everyone.
Hmm.
Hello, 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 hello.
Yeah. Wait.
Keep
I
going.
think he can't hear you. Gamecraft, can you also share your stream? Your
Yeah, I'm sharing it.
thing on Discord. Yeah.
Sharing.
Okay. Just
Green
gonna.
one, go
Hello,
live.
guys. We are live again.
We had a 3 beautiful
I'll-
day until today.
Yes, sir.
I mean,
Oh.
nobody knows the results of today. We're not gonna
Yeah.
jinx it. Hopefully, we'll have another W.
I think it's gonna go well. Hopefully, even if it does not, we are sitting in good profit. So taking it easy is the way to go for today. And apart from that, let's see what happens. I'm really expecting price to rebalance the 15-minute fair value gap which has been formed, and uske 50% area se if we can get some sort of reaction, I would love to use that. Abhi to I think opening, yeah, we are done with the opening. So let's see what happens. Nothing else. For my analysis so far. One last thing, I'm really expecting price should if it wants to go up, it the next target is like 56, 70 points above on ES. So I'm very sure that it's gonna retrace first at least to the 15-minute before it wants to go that high up. If I'm wrong, the 15-minute fair value gap won't hold, thereby protecting me from my losses. So that's what I am planning to do. Same for NQ for me. Yeah. Now, Abhishek can go forward with his thoughts. Wait. Abhishek, you there?
Side,
Not really.
there is a
Waiting for
noise,
people to
like
join
there is a
in.
music coming.
New music.
Yeah, I'm playing it.
I don't-
I'm playing it.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
It's for the stream.
Yeah, I will. Okay.
All right.
I'm just gonna
So
post.
as we expected from here, the starting of this week, that we're gonna
Just gonna
go into this FPG. Like it was way too obvious for market to do that. Now the question is, are we going to inverse it? Go take out this high, going into this gap eventually, going for that highs as well, or market has turned around for real now? Because it looks like it just created double bottom here, and then now we are moving around, going back up for 50% of this move. I think we are actually there. Yeah, we are actually hovering around that, so don't be sure about longs anymore. But let's see what we do on lower time frames, because lower time frames are always bit more clear what to do on the session wise, not. Good
just
morning, good
posting the
morning.
live.
Hello, Rajat. Hello, Rohit. Hello, Yuva. By the way, Apex is 71% off, not 80%. Just so just gonna announce it here. So my layout is saying it 80%, but it's 71 now.
So you guys can hold on from buying any accounts right now because 80% will be back in a
Yeah.
day or two.
Soon.
Unless you want to give me free affiliate money, then go ahead buy it.
Always welcome free money. Yeah.
Always.
I'm just gonna mark interesting levels to me. ऊपर तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम, ऊपर तो there is too much to target. I don't know where we'll turn back from. So if we shift the structure, then we'll see to the downside. Otherwise, we have so much to target, downside and upside both.
And today I'm not going to make the mistake. I have started my recording pehle se hi, so I don't need to switch on or off. I just record the whole thing and I edit it out.
90% is not coming back soon. Not any. I think because they need to pay out, guys. If you make money, they need to pay you out as well. So it's better than 90% does not come out. That they make some money to pay us out.
80% is cheap as fuck.
Yeah, even 80% is cheaper. Like $37 is nothing.
Just think about it like you bought two accounts, so you trade it more carefully. Because trust me, when there's the 90% off, you think it's cheaper, but then you start disrespecting the accounts because they are so cheap, and you end up spending more
Yeah.
money than you would have if you just paid the normal price, like 80% off. I think the best accounts which I have performed in were bought at 71% off. I do not really buy them when it's 71%, but kabhi kabhar, if I get a payout and there's no sale going on, I'll just cop one or two and then passing it क्योंकि फिर तमीज से करता हूँ. That is a little bit expensive. So yeah, if you wanna get an account, go ahead, but 80% आ जाएगा. 90% का लालच मत करो and don't waste your time waiting for it.
By the way, it's not 15 August, guys. Do not ask me if there is a holiday. 15 August है, but US की नहीं है. So do not. Market चालू ही है.
अभी तो इंडियन मार्केट्स आई थिंक कब तक बंद 20 तक बंद है अब सीधा. फास्ट बंद है.
$25 is
It's
trader weight is $33 and rhythmic is $29.
Rhythmic 25 का पड़ता है.
29.
हो जाएगा 29. तभी decent है compared to like. But get the trader with one. भाई Ninja a guy ended up buying Rhythmic वाला उसका अब तक setup नहीं कर पाया मैं.
I can do that.
It's like very confusing. It's very confusing.
Yeah, it is very confusing. You need to find perfect video for it, and there is one perfect video. I think it's on YouTube. I just saw it today.
To find out video, be sure to join our paid Telegram.
There is none though.
Gatekeeping public videos is my hustle.
FX 25K rhythmic account is $29 and $33 trader weight, which is easier to set up. Trader weight is easier to set up. You can pay $4 more for it.
Yeah.
Yes, it is that cheap.
Because passing का एक activation fee है, but worry about the activation once you have passed like 3 or 4 accounts. उसके पहले don't activate the accounts. और या activate करके side में रख दो because
For
each
rhythmic,
account passing is no proof.
Yeah. Go.
That's all. Passing one account is not a proof that you can trade prop firms.
That's true. For rhythmic, monthly fee is $85. For trader weight, monthly fee is $105. So in rhythmic, you are saving around $25 altogether after passing and purchasing account both. Monthly fees, right? After passing you are how long? I think it's monthly reveal करता रहेगा तो it's like unlimited time, right? But you just have to do monthly reveal of that account. So let's say you purchase that account on 29th of today 15th August, then you passed it let's say on 25th, so you will have time until next 15th to activate it without paying any fees. But if you want to activate after that, you will need to pay another, let's say, whatever the charge was for the account initially. I don't think so. There is any difference. I don't know what's your name. NAS, NQ and NAS 100 is mostly same. Charts are same, but slippage difference हो सकता है. That I don't know.
मतलब you are trading NQ futures as SFD or NAS 100. I mean अगर account है ही तब तो stick to NAS 100, don't switch ऐसे. But the thing is with CFDs on NQ if you are capturing maybe let's say 10, 15, 20 points, तुम्हें 2 point का slippage मिलेगा. So in and out करने में you are losing 4 points. And imagine your target is 10 points. तुमने 40% अपना target सिर्फ slippage में lose कर दिया. अलग 1 point तुम्हारा उस पे चला गया commissions, because I think commissions on CFDs are way higher than Apex or any futures platform.
Yeah.
Okay, so Riansh, if you okay, so that was for ZBH. Okay, I'm not gonna say the whole name. Suryansh, if you pass the eval, you can continue making the eval payment $33 की, uh, up until whenever you want to activate it. Once you activate it, then you don't need to pay anything. So for example, अगर मैंने आज पास कर लिया अकाउंट, एक महीना हो गया, I still don't want to activate it. I can just make the monthly payment and continue keeping it active. Just sign the contract within 3 days. No, no, actually no. What? It's not 3 days anymore. I think
Yeah,
it's just 48 hours. Yeah, so yeah, I get
that's
confused.
fine. I think you can do it. I don't know. I'm not sure. So I'm not. Suryansh, it's simple as it is. Like if you do not want to, I mean, if you do not have money to activate account, I think you will have 1 month after purchase of the account until you pay anything else on that account.
Mm.
If you do not have money still after a month, then you can pay $33 extra for like expanding that account, extending it
And
1 more month.
overall, I would recommend कि if you're coming into the markets, don't come with like 10,000, 20,000 rupees.
Yeah, just
Unless learning के purpose से आ रहे हो, then that's all right. But if you are like, okay, ठीक है, I want to pass the account and I want to do, take it like seriously now. देखो वो point आएगा तुम्हारी life में when you want to take it seriously. And if you do not have the capital, मान लो 50,000, go get a job or do something else and just keep learning side में. But get a job. That's like you need the initial money for to sustain yourself. Even अगर माँ बाप के साथ भी रहते हो, how will you pay for the accounts? And that can only come from getting an internship or a job.
we don't mean that you
Okay,
can't do it if you do not have money. It's just
yeah.
that you'll need to save up a little bit.
How? Exactly, huh? I have the money, but sorry now it's saying to pass I have 2 lakhs at depot. See, so Ryanj, if you have 2 lakhs,
How about you
take it
send
slow,
one
ठीक
to
है?
us?
हाँ, हाँ. It's not, I know, but Sahil is now
Still,
saying to pass 4 evals. When did I ask you to pass 4 evals? I have 2 lakhs at disposable with me for props. If you do have the money, then well and good, but still मैं यही advice करूँगा, get one eval, pass it. Okay, 4 eval in that sense. Alright, I got it. No, no, no. So what I meant was, get one evaluation. If you pass it, activate it, get one more eval. If you pass it, well and good, no need to activate it, just keep it aside. कि पे भी मत करो, कैंसिल कर दो. Get one more. तुम अगर 3 eval पास करोगे अच्छे से, so you will have the confidence to go on and trade the funded account, because trading the funded account is 100 times much more difficult than trading an eval. So you need to get into the habit and you need to see your model perform. I think what, let's say over a series of 100 trades before you are confident trading it on your eval. और 100 ना sound बहुत करता है कि of course it is a lot, it is like close to what, 6 months of trading, तब तुम जाके हाँ 100 trades उठाते हो अच्छी, if you're doing everything by the book. But you have to give it time कि ऐसा नहीं होने वाला, you can't rush the process. So that's why I say कि 4 accounts पे you get confident, वरना फिर वो साइकिल बन जाएगी बेकार की. ओके एंड नाउ फोकसिंग ऑन एनक्यू. ये 5 ईएस ने 5 मिनट का वो फेयर वैल्यू गैप होल्ड कर लिया और री एक्सपेक्टिंग कि वहाँ पे हमें स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट मिल जाए. नॉट गोना ट्रस्ट. ये 2 मिनट का एक फेयर वैल्यू गैप तो है ना. एनक्यू डिड नॉट मेक इट, दैट मीन्स इट्स ईएस इज मोस्ट लाइकली गोना डिसरिस्पेक्ट इट एंड गो फॉर द हाई अगेन. प्लस हम 5 मिनट से डिलीवरी कर रहे हैं.
yeah, it's
सो
just respecting blocks here and there.
या सो गोना वेट. वही वो बढ़िया रहेगा. So let's 1 minute, guys. I need to start locking my main door too. So yeah, overall अब waiting game ही है, मतलब wait ही करना होगा बैठ के हमें. But I think it took me a lot of time to get that patience कि हाँ मार्केट ओपनिंग के रुको 10 मिनट के बाद ट्रेड नहीं उठानी है कि wait for your setup and that is all you need, just start waiting for the right time. भाई तुम दोनों में से कोई भी जिम नहीं जाता तो मेंटल हेल्थ कैसे मेंटेन?
I
ये
do.
जाता है जिम, ये जाता है और मैं आई गो फॉर वॉक्स, आई डू
Yeah, he
एवरीथिंग,
does.
मतलब
Like morning में
आई
जाता
जस्ट
है.
जिम, मेरा जिम का ना थोड़ा अभी सिस्टम ऑफ चल रहा है, ठीक है, अगर सिस्टम आ गया ना भाई तो इट विल बी गुड. आई एम जॉइनिंग द जिम अगेन, आई हैव अप्लाइड, सो आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द रिस्पॉन्स. फिर मैं जाऊंगा, कल से ही चले जाऊंगा या परसों से. आई थिंक कल बंद होगा ना, कल भी तो कुछ है ही 15, पता नहीं यार, कल अगर खुला होगा तो कल चले जाऊंगा. और मेरे घर पे जिम है वैसे मेरे पास, फ्लेक्स, ठीक है, लेकिन घर वाला मुझे यूज़ नहीं करना. वहाँ पे फिर ना आलस आता है, मैं जाके सो जाता हूँ बेंच प्रेस के ऊपर.
Yeah, just chopping around here and there. Not gonna touch it.
हाँ, ट्रेडिंग एंड जिम का आई थिंक वीके द रिलेशनशिप विच पीपल, आई थिंक वो डिसिप्लिन वाला इशू चीज़ आ जाती है. इफ़ यू कैन नॉट बी डिसिप्लिन्ड आउटसाइड द चार्ट्स देन इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू मेंटेन योर कंपोजर ड्यूरिंग it, क्योंकि इट इज़ स्ट्रेसफुल. बट अगेन वो सच नहीं है कि हाँ कि तुम जिम नहीं जाते तो तुम प्रॉफिटेबल नहीं
Yeah,
होगे. इट
without
इज़
that you can't do
एक्चुअली,
anything. I
हाँ
mean,
हाँ,
discipline
you
in
just need
terms
something
of
of discipline. हाँ. Hmm. Yeah. You just need something, a point of focus where you are disciplined outside trading. वो रिलेशन है, बट पीपल लाइक took it as the context कि अच्छा जिम जाना चाहिए, और ऐसे भी जाना ही चाहिए यार, मतलब. हाँ, अंबानी, this waiting game is so. Yo, Jay is here. I can't see how many people are watching us, but I think it should be good. ठीक है, I'm assuming कि हाँ भाई 200 लोग देख रहे हैं. How do I see how many people are watching? 16 is pretty good considering कि हमने एक हफ्ता ही हुआ है स्टार्ट किए हुए. But I think what I fumbled recently, but again not really fumbled क्योंकि it's going well. I should have been more consistent on my Instagram posting में. I really stopped for I don't know 2 or 3 months. Shouldn't have done that क्योंकि कुछ एक बटन दबाना होता था रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए, उतना भी मैंने नहीं किया. But I'm getting back to it now because that should help. Okay, there is a move coming now. Um, Alright, this should confirm. Now the thing is, I really wanted price to rebalance the 15 minute का fair value gap if you go onto your NQ charts or ES charts, नीचे वाला, but उसने ऊपर वाला rebalance कर दिया है. Now the only issue is ES is not following the flow, so I'm gonna wait for ES to catch up and not rush into the trade क्योंकि again we are sitting in good profits. मतलब आज क्या है, थर्ड फोर्थ डे है आज, so I don't want to take an unnecessary loss. वीक के 3 दिन अगर प्रॉफिट है, 2 दिन बचे हैं, so if I'm very much happy to let today slide or tomorrow slide, then lose the money which I have made. इंस्टा पे तो यू अंबानी, yes sir, there is I what was I saying? I'm so sorry, मैं थोड़ा सा zone out हो गया. मैं was just checking my charts. हाँ,
I'll be back.
shit
Just
posting
give
के लिए
me
तो है भाई वो जगह
2
है.
minutes. Yeah.
Love it. Hi Rohan. As such, you need to start tutorials about future trading from beginning. We will do that definitely. We are gonna make content around that. अभी ना बहुत सारी चीज़ें we have to figure out. For example, I think मेरा जो कैमरा है, एक चीज़ जो I really need to fix it, and I think it is my side. That we are my camera and my PNL is very blurry compared to I think first stream में काफ़ी अच्छा था, but I don't know what to do to fix it. I'll figure it out बाद में. Next thing is how do you set a target if there's no immediate high or low near? Oh, okay. So VK, what happens is अगर कोई red folder news होती है ना, you need to see just go into the 4 hour and mark the nearest swing high, swing low you see. Then just see the direction 4 घंटा कहाँ जाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. If it's going up, just follow the trend. That is what I have learned. Gamecraft enters. I think
Yeah,
he
mostly
is
enters at
not here right now. He's gonna come back. He enters at market. मतलब
yeah,
कभी कभार लिमिट लगाता है, but most of the time it's
yeah,
market.
it's market. I don't know last time when I even like limit ordering. It's always marketing because I wait for reaction, and then when reaction happens, I don't wait for it. I don't care for 2-3 points slippage here and there.
Yeah.
As a suggestion, you guys
And
need to start tutorial. We'll do it soon because everything is already on the YouTube. To be
yeah.
honest.
And for example, हाँ वीके सर आई वाज सेइंग कि अब आप कोई एज सच आई एम वेरी श्योर कि मार्केट को अगर वो भी करना है, इफ इट वांट्स टू टर्न अराउंड, आई विल एक्सपेक्ट दैट टू हैपन अराउंड द पीएम सेशन. कि अब फेयर डिलीवरी स्टार्ट हो गई है. इफ आई लुक एट ईएस, इट इज डिलीवरिंग फ्रॉम एक फेयर वैल्यू गैप से दूसरा फेयर वैल्यू गैप इन अ बुलिश वे ऑन 15 मिनट्स. कंसिडरिंग कि मुझे कितने पॉइंट्स चाहिए, 15-20, सो ट्राइंग टू गेट अ लॉन्ग इज वे बेटर देन वो. अब बस मैक्रो हो जाए कि मैक्रो बता देगा, अगर मैक्रो में रिवर्सल आना इट विल कम, इफ नॉट आई लुक फॉर लॉन्ग्स. अब ना वो बिल्कुल वैसा हो गया. आई थिंक एक चीज व्हिच आई एम लविंग अबाउट ट्रेडिंग नाउ इज इट हैज गॉटन, आई वुडंट से मैकेनिकल, बट एक आइडिया हो जाता है कि हाँ कब नहीं छूना है, कि कब बिल्कुल रुक जाना है. अब जैसे मैक्रो किक इन किया है, इट क्रिएटेड अ फेयर वैल्यू गैप, इट डज नॉट really have a liquidity which it can take out. तो मोस्ट लाइकली मैं यही एक्सपेक्ट करने वाला हूँ. इट मी जस्ट गो एंड मार्क इट वंस कि आई एम जस्ट गोना एक्सपेक्ट कि ठीक है वो जो भी नया फेयर वैल्यू गैप है वो रीबैलेंस होगा. एंड वेट, सॉरी, मैं ना मल्टीटास्किंग में बहुत करता हूँ. इट्स गोना जस्ट रीबैलेंस एंड पुश प्राइस अप. Yep, there is no liquidity nearby. तो मैं रिवर्सल से ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट करूँगा कंटिन्यूएशन. So let's see what happens. Not gonna hurry it up.
There is only one thing or one or two FPGs that I am looking at like for rebalance, but market will need to turn around heavy. At one this and another one down. I don't expect it to get filled. Those are like breakaway gaps. Maybe. I don't know how to find out breakaway gaps. I mean, in terms of before we run away.
Right. I think उसका there is no way. जितनी भी videos मैंने देखी हैं, the simplest way was that अगर if the fair value gap is like a lot of displacement, कि 3 green बड़ी कैंडल बन के वो बनाता है, so the chances are it will be breakaway. But you can't be sure. I guess कि कोई तरीका नहीं है. And maybe कोई बंदे ने बोला होगा हाँ ये तरीका है which will tell you.
It's
but वो भी कितना ही accurate होगा.
And it's bullshit. To be honest, let's say this FPG has been created. How are you gonna determine that okay it's gonna be breakaway even before it has happened? When you were trading last year in bear market, how was it different from this year? How to trade in chop solidation?
I thought
second question. Yeah, go on.
I thought Gamecraft was about to say कि how कि वो it creates a breakaway gap और फिर bear market आता है, then what happens to the breakaway gap?
And then this was a question from Ambani that it's the same thing. If we are reaping, it's nothing about bear market is different than bullish market. Look at this. This was whole move to the downside. You have already seen it. If you are in market for like since last 6 months, this was all happened. So it looks the same.
Wait,
but when I said
there was a bear market.
No, not bear last market? Year, but I mean COVID times.
He wrote last year, na? So I was like
last year. No, never mind. There was no bear market. Bear market देखा नहीं आपने? क्या गिरता है मार्केट हर रोज गिरे ही जा रहा है.
और एंट्री नहीं देता भाई. मैंने बैंक निफ्टी में देखा हुआ है when it started to fall, कोई एंट्री नहीं. It's like you just need to trust and short it. Trust and short it कि हाँ.
If it's reversal, so I try to touch 19.115.
S&P, but I don't think it's gonna hold. Price is pushing up. So
I don't think so. You are
yeah.
that it's gonna touch, it's gonna come back 19 because look at the structure. But even if it does,
Hmm.
that looks like this FPG midnight open. This is interesting.
Yep.
What's a breakaway
Oh,
gap? See the FPG which does not get filled, it eventually becomes the breakaway gap.
yep.
In the move of going up, let's say plus FPG did not get filled, so these all are breakaway gaps. I hope that's the right definition.
Yeah, that's the definition. कि any वही
But
क्योंकि मेरे साथ पहले होता था कि I would miss a वो मैं fair value gap mark कर रहा था, it wouldn't come back down, and I was like fuck यार क्या है ये. तो then I learned कि अच्छा this is a breakaway gap. What I can do is if it does not rebalance it, तो अब वो ना experience के ऊपर आता है. I cannot point out अच्छा ये breakaway है, but for example अगर एक बहुत बड़ा gap बना देता, बड़ा भी नहीं, let's say एक अच्छा fair value gap बन जाता है momentum के साथ, and then there is a breaker, not a breaker, sorry, an order block formed right after it, and then there is one more fair value gap. So in my mind ये होता है कि वो नीचे वाला fair value gap protected है मेरे order block से, तो वो क्यों जाएगा उतना नीचे तक. So my order block is going to protect my SL, और उसके ऊपर वाला fair value gap is where I try to take my entry. So you
uh,
learn and you adapt.
yeah, I started with NQ, but
Weak
now I trade only. Yes. Any comments? Is you do not like
good.
volatility, I guess, in terms of PNLs. NQ is wild, sometimes very wild.
Exactly. I can't handle it. But अभी भी I can't do NQ alone. अभी मेरे पास confidence इसीलिए because Abhishek is with me. When I stick to yes when I'm alone.
Yeah,
ES इतना straight move करता है ना.
look at yes,
इतना easy.
look at yes here,
Like
right?
इतना
And now look at
आराम
NQ.
आराम आराम से giving you zero fake outs. यहाँ पर fake out VK if you do ES को 5 मिनट पे
भाई उसके अंदर
you
स्ट्रेंथ ही
literally
नहीं
won't
है
get fake
फेक
out.
आउट्स देने
हाँ
की.
वो fake out ही नहीं होगे. हाँ
एनके
ट्रेड
दो
बहुत मिस
तीन
होती
बार
है
दे
you will
देगा.
know. वही कि यार, वो बढ़िया लगता है मुझे ईएस का. आई थिंक स्टार्टिंग आउट में, या फिर बता एक और चीज़ आई थिंक होती है जिससे भी यू अडेप्ट योर सेल्फ, विच एवर वर्क्स द बेस्ट फॉर यू, यू शुड स्टिक टू दैट. क्योंकि मैं देखता हूँ इनक्यू बहुत पैसे बना के देता है कि ईएस उतने पैसे नहीं बना के देगा, बट मेरे को टेंशन होती है एनक्यू से. आई एम ट्रेडिंग 3 या 2 माइक्रोज ऑन एनक्यू
We do not.
कंपेयर टू वन होल मिनी ऑन.
We do not trade forex, Rishabh. We hate forex. At least I hate forex.
सेम.
Slippage
आई
and
हैव
all.
बॉट 3 अकाउंट्स फंडिंग पिप्स के, but it did not क्या कहते हैं, did not ही work out with me because future गंदी आदत डाल देता है ना zero slippage की, तो it used to affect. मतलब कि this thing with CL has been, my strategy is working and everything. I'm not saying strategy काम करनी बंद हो गई, but हुआ क्या कि मैं ना sync से हट गया हूँ. So if I stop seeing an asset for let's say more than 2 weeks, फिर ना वो sync में नहीं रहता मैं. So if I want to get back, I'll need to start looking at it every day for 3 or 4 days before I get back to it. और अभी ES और NQ इतने अच्छा perform कर रहे हैं that I do not want to use my mental capacity on CL. तो try to manage your assets like that कि अगर अच्छा एक asset अच्छा perform कर रहा है, your main asset, जैसे मेरा main asset is ES, so I will not look at CL the moment ES is fucking me over, and you realize it very easily कि ठीक है कि this is chop, yeah, this is bad price action for 3 or 4 days continuously, so then I'll switch to CL. If you're new then stick to one, don't diversify इतनी जल्दी. I think Gamecraft only trades NQ up.
Yeah, only NQ.
And
I was
because,
trying to get into this all forex pairs, but not worth it.
nah,
Not we are not
NQ is love.
implying anything.
Abhishek said that we got a 5-minute FPG where अच्छा ये
2
नया वाला.
FPGs by the way.
I don't know यार, it looks like it's gonna be a breakaway again. हम कितने up हैं?
अंबानी
2% up हैं हम पहले से.
अंबानी वैसे waiting game is the main thing in the trading, and if you do not like it, you will need to adapt to it. I think I'm not saying that you can't trade like 20 pairs but you will need much more time analyzing them. Like you will need to put 3-4
Yeah.
hours of work before market even opens every day to just have a look at every pair what you're doing. Plus you will miss something every day on every pair if you are looking at 10 pairs or more, let's say
Yeah.
2-3 pairs even. But with NQ we look at
And
only one pair, so we know everything what it's doing.
and if you're trading like so Pickle is this guy. I love that guy. One of the main reasons I started trading 5 minute was because of Soy Pickle. उसने बस एक tweet डाली थी that if you're still unprofitable and you're doing everything right, if you think, switch to the 5 minute chart on ES or any asset class and see how you perform. और मैं पे आउट उससे आया था तो उस अब वो क्या करता है, ही ट्रेड्स ऑलमोस्ट एवरी 4x पेयर, ही ट्रेड्स ES एंड NQ. उसका मॉडल भी बहुत सिंपल सा है, इट्स जस्ट IRR to ERL. बट व्हाट ही डज इज ही सेट्स अलर्ट्स कि वो जैसे संडे को या उस पे सैटरडे को ही विल जस्ट लुक एट द फेयर वैल्यू गैप्स डेली और 4 घंटे के टाइम फ्रेम पे फ्रॉम वेयर ही एक्सपेक्ट्स अ रिएक्शन. ही सेट हिज अलर्ट्स. अब जिस पे भी अलर्ट आ जाता है and then he check the relative strength and take the trade on that. Now one thing about that is you can do that but तुम्हें बहुत patience चाहिए, ठीक है, कि you will get trades और वो सब, but तुम्हें patience बहुत चाहिए होगा. You cannot get greedy because एक pair में you are getting a trade, लेकिन तुम्हें पता है दूसरे pair में अगर trade बनेगी तो ज़्यादा अच्छा बनेगी. So वो discipline वाला है. Hey bro, again capture in gold. You took entry. King I don't do gold. मैं gold नहीं करता.
No, we did not took entry in here as well, by the way. You heavy Saturday को quality सही करते हैं साइड पे. Quality in terms of ये problem
the camera thing.
कैमरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इसमें क्या है कि हमको we need to capture PNL result and that's why camera quality looks better. Otherwise we can do it in pretty good quality.
I can do one thing is we can try this, वो जो नहीं होता stream deck या कुछ जो चीज़ें होती हैं, stream my face on that, और PNL we can do normally कि PNL तो वो हो जाएगा.
Now he's looking good
अभी
for
वो
staying
हाँ,
away.
it's just been 1 week.
By the way, we got 24 people on the stream. Like the stream, subscribe if you are new. Thank you.
Let's go. Yeah. So King honestly longs up until PM session, क्योंकि अगर ये भाग रहा है तो वो वाली चीज़ है, मुझे टॉप कैच करने की कोशिश तो नहीं करूँगा. दिस लाइक काफ़ी बुलिशनेस है. अब स्ट्रक्चर चेंज और 2022 मॉडल मिलता है देन या ऑफ कोर्स तब वी आई विल थिंक अबाउट शॉर्ट्स, बट अभी आई एम गोना एक्सपेक्ट कि नीचे आता भी है तो वो पुल बैक होगा जस्ट टू गो बैक अप. तो लेट्स सी. बोलते साथ ही एक अच्छी फॉल आनी शुरू हो गई.
They are just waiting for us to get in, you know. They are just waiting for us to get
tempting
in.
us.
And then boom, sell liquidity, sell liquidity.
So just gonna ES, I think ES पे इसने जो ऊपर गंदी तरीके से गया है, यू नो एक अच्छी सी ट्रेंड लाइन बनाते हुए ऊपर गया है, दैट माइट गेट टेकन आउट. बट फिर अगेन है, अगर हम इतने बुलिश हैं सुबह से जब से ओपन हुई है प्राइस, इट इज़ रिस्की शॉट. कुछ भी शॉर्ट करना भी मेरा रिस्की है.
I will not king. Thank you.
Yes, king.
By the way, remember that every time when news comes into the market, when it gives something like this in the, let's say on the charts, it always gives back. So that's why I'm hesitant to go longs anywhere on the
reprice. If I can get a reprice to नीचे, that would be amazing. ठीक है, it is starting to respect 15 सेकेंड का bearish order flow, but मैं 15 सेकेंड देख क्यों रहा हूँ, it's just open on my chart. मैं देखता नहीं हूँ, but हाँ, that looks clean. वो fair value gap है and then there's a breaker, तो I think that's the unicorn setup being formed, but it did not take out any liquidity, तो मैं not gonna touch it right now. Let's see what happens. क्या पता है, बस एक वो pull back.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for one FAG to get filled on the short side, go a little bit down, and then let it create another FAG to be just confirmed that we are going short. Pretty good move by the way.
That was. मैंने कहा कि no, I'm not looking for short.
Look at that. 75 points in your face, man. In your face.
जैसे ही मैंने बोला भाई यूज मी एज अ रिवर्स इंडिकेटर अब वो वाली चीज है फ्रॉम वेयर वी आर नाउ आई थिंक दिस इज 50% ऑफ द न्यू स्मॉल रेंज लास्ट ब्लैक कैंडल से ये वाला आई थिंक दिस इज अराउंड 50% यस तो अब देखते हैं क्या होता है इट्स मे बी इट्स जस्ट अ पुल बैक
Alright, let's see what it has in store for us today. I don't want to
Yep.
give away any profits of this week.
सेम या तो एग्जैक्टली जय नोज जय यू कैन हॉप ऑन द डिस्कॉर्ड है ना तो यहीं पर यू कैन अनम्यूट एंड टॉक यार
Okay, yeah, you are one of the
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है
best trader we have. If you're not gonna talk, then
ठीक है एंड आई थिंक
Ambani.
करना पड़ेगा कॉपीराइट आ जाएगा
एक मिनट दोबारा बोल
सॉन्ग बंद करना पड़ेगा कॉपीराइट आ जाएगा
ओ अच्छा 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 ठीक है
अंबानी बोला रहा है कहाँ पे? साहिल कहाँ पे? साहिल.
एक मिनट मैं ना वो एक चीज चेंज करता हूँ सब हो जाता है
He's
You
saying.
guys are invited to my NCS मोटिल लगा लो
Aesthetic of going daily rejection. Yeah, might. Let's see.
मैंने NCS के इतने सॉन्ग्स यूज किए हैं माइनक्राफ्ट एडिट्स पे when I used to make Minecraft के videos
But we are the new alphas in the game, so सबको देखना छोड़ दो, ICT को भी छोड़ दो. I'm just kidding, guys. That's the one guy you should watch too.
बस 2024 मेंटरशिप के अलावा और 2023 के अलावा सब देख लो
Yeah.
वो दोनों मत देखना मतलब इट्स लाइक
Affiliate बंद हो
इस पॉइंट पे
जाएगा
क्या ही
हमारा.
मतलब क्योंकि आई थिंक आईसीटी पूरा ऑल यू नीड इज लिक्विडिटी यू नीड फेयर वैल्यू गैप्स ऑर्डर ब्लॉक्स ब्रेकर तुम अपने आप सीख जाते हो ठीक है यू विल लर्न इट ओवर टाइम सो तीन चीज़ों पे तुम्हारा काम अगर हो रहा है तो 2016 2022 इज मोर देन इनफ एक मिनट रोश आई एम जस्ट गोना चेक जनरल दिस लुक्स गुड Yeah, that seems good. We are just waiting कि एक और फेयर वैल्यू गैप फुल हो जाए to go short क्योंकि अच्छा नहीं you're going long from here. I would not say कि भाई you should. I don't understand. Are you going long or short? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है इससे रोश. I'm sorry वो top step X use नहीं करता. If you're going short, I would say कि wait for one more fair value gap to get filled and try to use that as a shorting opportunity. अच्छा long थोड़ा सा वेट कर लो भाई क्योंकि इट्स लाइक फर्स्ट पुल बैक या फर्स्ट वो लेट इट बी क्योंकि फिर पता चल ही जाएगा क्या करना है मार्केट को यू बट अगेन दैट इज माय वे ऑफ ट्रेडिंग मैं नहीं कह रहा कि हाँ कि वो करो क्योंकि यू नेवर नो ना ये पुल बैक है या ये रिट्रेसमेंट है सॉरी ये रिट्रेसमेंट है या ये रिवर्सल है सो जस्ट वेट इट आउट थोड़ा सा I'm not gonna get it. 5 minute busy with MSS don't feel. अच्छा ये कल का है लूफी का मैं अभी आज देख लूँ वेट और कर लो वेट क्योंकि देखो अगर आज न्यूज़ आई है और तुम्हें नहीं मिलती अगर तुम्हें एएम सेशन में ट्रेड ही नहीं मिलती यू हैव द पीएम सेशन अच्छा ही होगा आज का वेट
Reversal है all the. I feel that too. I feel that too. But feeling से ट्रेड नहीं ली जाती.
स्टैग्नेटिंग यहाँ पे चॉप दे रहा है थोड़ा सा
$1,000.
5 मिनट का फेयर वैल्यू आपको रिस्पेक्ट तो कर रहा है मतलब देखो एग्जैक्टली मैक्रो टाइम पे इट गिव योर फर्स्ट इंडिकेशन ऑफ अ रिवर्सल सो इट इज कि चल थोड़ा सा वेट करने में कोई वो नहीं है दिक्कत नहीं है इफ इट वांट्स टू इट विल गिव अस एम्पल अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गो शॉर्ट क्योंकि शॉर्ट के लिए तो काफ़ी वो हमारे पास पूरे अपॉर्चुनिटी वो नीचे वाले फेयर वैल्यू गैप तक है। तो एंट्री तो मिल ही जाएगी शॉर्ट में। बदतमीजी, अभी चॉप स्टार्ट हो रहा है एटलीस्ट 1 मिनट पर, 1 मिनट का काउंट नहीं होता, सो 5 मिनट को ही देखता हूँ। Is there any other news? I forgot to check Forex Factory. I'll just check it. No, nothing else. ठीक है तो you're good to go. कुछ नहीं है. And a profit of $1,000. Uh, I already in and profit. Amazing. Okay, good go. Question for Abhishek. How did you cope up with the scaling plan? Only 2 micron under 2000. This Abhishek अभी शायद से है नहीं है, बस आ रहा होगा. Abhishek, are you there?
Uh,
No, he must be coming back.
yeah, sorry. Question for how did you cope up with scaling plan? Only 2 micros allowed for 2000 very first. I used to trade 1 mini by the way. Never used to trade micros. But now you guys have options to do that in Top Step X. 1 mini is alright with $2,000 drawdown. I used to take base hits like $10, 15 points until 2000 and then go for long trades with Top Step, of course.
Okay, Roche is long बहुत पहले से, तब तो ठीक है यार. Go ahead, add to your winners. Don't forget to book something if you're up. क्योंकि याद रखना $1,000 is a lot of money. That's 80,000. लोग महीने का कमा रहे हैं उतना, तो हाँ. As long as you are meeting your risk to reward requirements, go for it. Abhi, I was watching this. I think you might know him. His name is Imperfect Trader. Uh, very transparent, बहुत अच्छा trading करता है वो. And he showed he was going through his trading last 2 महीने का, where he traded without having a certain criteria of risk to reward. So like just targeting liquidity, just targeting actually just liquidity. He does not trade ICT concepts. And he performed like very well. I think उसकी बस वो चीज़ है, you have to be very disciplined when you're going for something like that. Risk to reward थोड़ा सा ना मुझ जैसे इंसान के लिए ठीक है कि बीच बीच में when I lose my composure. 19,200. Bro, I'm looking for long from 19,200. 19,200.
बहुत नीचे से.
मेरा ड्रॉप आ रहा था. Oh, अच्छा, you are looking for longs since
19,200
19,200. अच्छा तब से है.
so
Okay.
reprice होने वाला
हाँ.
है तब like 200 इधर पे midnight low के नीचे से midnight open से.
Wait, I think he means no. I think he means कि वो 19,200 से market को देख रहा है for longs, है ना? King.
I don't
Yeah.
know. Can you say it again?
You wanted to reprice to 19,200. 200 पॉइंट ही है वैसे, आ सकता है, ऐसा तो नहीं है. 200 पॉइंट
आ तो सकता
पहले
है.
200 पॉइंट बड़ा लगता
But
था.
200 point drop होगा फिर I would hesitate to go long there.
See, this was a good idea, I think, to wait for क्या कहते हैं, to not just jump into shots अब अभी भी.
Yeah.
इसने वो वाला जो fair value gap है 2 मिनट का, it hasn't disrespected it, but I don't like how it rebalances. इतनी ऊपर गया है. अभी भी रिवर्सल आ सकता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but yeah, much better if we just wait. क्या पता वो हाई एक और टेक आउट हो. यहाँ पे स्टॉप कितना बड़ा होता है ना, बहुत बड़ा स्टॉप डालना पड़ता है,
Where is inverse?
not worth it.
Because I like
ये
this
2 मिनट
entry
का
for some reason. Longs.
the
Not gonna
the
go.
2 मिनट का inversion
But I'm not gonna go
if it
in it.
inverts. I mean अगर ये inverse कर देता है 2 मिनट पे and what 1 is to 2 wait
Is it from
हाँ
this one?
so लक्ष्य wait I'll just yeah sorry guys I think it was someone Discord पे
Okay.
उसको पता नहीं था mute नहीं है yep inversion का बस थोड़ा लक्ष्य you are not muted I'm just gonna hand so we mute for now हाँ तो
Yes.
ठीक है उसको अभी इन्वर्स नहीं किया
नहीं किया.
इसे वेटिंग फॉर इन्वर्स यप ऑलमोस्ट कर ही देता बस थोड़ा सा और अगर हो जाता अब देखो वापस इट इज बस जब तक क्लीन और ना हो जाए ना मार्केट इट वो कि
To stay away.
कोई भी एक साइड का रिस्पेक्ट और फिर वो दे सो वी कैन गेट अ रीड ऑन द ऑर्डर फ्लो दैट इज ऑलवेज बेटर जस्ट नाइस एंड इजी एंड वी आर गोना गेट देयर देखो वापस वो अच्छा सबको खुश कर रहा है ये उस जो वहाँ पे शॉट मारा होगा पहले भी उसको लग रहा होगा यार मैंने क्या किया फॉल आया एंड यू लाइक लेट्स गो वापस इट्स गोना ट्राइंग टू पुल बैक अप आई डोंट नो ईएस इज लाइक ईएस थोड़ा ना ज्यादा अच्छा दिख रहा है शॉट्स के लिए बट एनक्यू आई डोंट नो एनक्यू ऐसा लग रहा है कि इट्स जस्ट गोना पुल बैक वंस मोर अगर इसको नीचे जाना भी है टेक आउट द हाई या उसके कंटिन्यूएशन दे दे बट ईएस का आई डोंट नो भाई ईएस इज थोड़ा अजीब सा बिहेव कर रहा है मैं अभी भी यही कहूँगा कि मोस्ट लाइकली ऊपर ही जाएगा ये कि नॉट द वन टू कॉल द टॉप्स वो भी लाइव पे वेट करते हैं आज आज शायद से थोड़ा लंबा ज़्यादा लंबा भी नहीं हुआ है क्या 7:30 तो शुरू होता है ना सॉरी 7 बजे शुरू होती है 50
47
मिनट ही
मिनट
हुए
ही
हैं।
हुआ है.
हाँ अभी आदत हो गई ना कल 2 दिन से 3 दिन से एक्चुअली
It's actually turning around little bit. Let's say close below this, create another FPG. I actually want it to close below this 5 minute. And then we can go shorts into this.
yep
Until then, no trades. We are not expecting downfall, but if there is one, like there are some signs to go downside, like let's say here, something like this, I'll be interested in short. But again, there is always a probability of यहाँ से फिर ऊपर. So waiting for something.
but ES pull up कर दे I think NQ is gonna pull up too yeah ES is come on just it's all dependent on ES NQ के पास तो है momentum तो देखते हैं if ES can use वो 5 मिनट का फेयर वैल्यू गैप से रिएक्शन ES पे अच्छा है it has inversed अपना 5 मिनट का फेयर वैल्यू गैप and if it can it should go for the high now 16 points 8 पॉइंट का वो ठीक है ये इन्वर्स कर देना है 2 मिनट का फेयर वैल्यू गैप सो इट्स एक पॉसिबिलिटी भी है लॉन्ग्स ढूंढने की बट अभी तो नहीं देखिए कितनी उसकी विक्स कैसे रिस्पेक्ट कर रही हैं उस फेयर वैल्यू गैप को
The one I drew earlier, like this one. Okay.
ठीक है 2 मिनट वाला आई थिंक पहले डिसरिस्पेक्ट हो जाएगा
Already in short with 1 micro. Shorts. Not sure.
रिस्की प्ले होगा शॉट्स यहाँ पर
इसके बाद 1 micro है वैसे. If your
हाँ
setup
अभी
is
बात है
there.
अरे गिरा हाँ आई मीन अगर गिरा और भाई 200 पॉइंट मिल गए इट्स गुड मनी
400 down.
हाँ रिस्क कितना ही है इसमें विद 1 माइक्रो इवन इफ यू आर गोइंग शॉर्ट 50% पे योर रिस्क इज नेग्लिजिबल इट्स लाइक 38 into 2 व्हाट्स दैट मी मैथ्स को पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है यार
$2 per point, $2. Easy.
Yeah, what's 38 into 2? 40 into 2 is 80, so around 76. Yeah, 76.
Alright, now this is interesting.
Mm,
Starting to turn around. Another FPG has been
ठीक है
respected.
ओके 2 मिनट का भी डिसरिस्पेक्ट
Okay.
हो गया नाइस
Then let's wait for 3 minutes to get inverse. हो गई है वैसे क्लोज हो जाए अरे भाई हो गई थी मिस्ड ट्रेड this was
2
the
मिनट वाला तो
close
हो गया था
this was the close on 3 minute and then this was the inversion yeah
अभी वो 2 मिनट का जो इन्वर्स किया है उसने इफ इट टैप्स इट बैक देन लेट्स सी अगर दैट्स
yeah
गिव
I
एन
don't know
एंट्री
that's it.
And what is ES doing? ES is holding it down और ये क्या 1 मिनट का अगर ये 1 मिनट का फेयर अभी आप होल्ड कर गया ना ऊपर वाला उसका 50% एरिया इट वुड जेन्युइनली भी फनी कि भाई क्या है इसको दिक्कत क्या हो रही है ये 2 मिनट पे तो देयर इज नथिंग टू स्टॉप इट सो लेट्स सी एक ऑर्डर ब्लॉक और वो है फेयर वैल्यू गैप फॉर्म हो सकता है तो ठीक है it's coming back down
Alright, that's a tab. I don't know what's the risk.
you're gonna try getting in
I'm looking at the risk
reaction का वेट
as well. I mean, what kind of risk we have? If we
Oh.
get in, we can go only 1 gem 1 by the way in this trade. Alright, I'm getting it at market price at 54 something.
all right same I mean
54 in, guys.
yep what's your stop
Top is just below the first week, so 23 points from 54, 54.75. So it's like 432. Going for 1 gem 1. Because it's scalpy trade, I don't want it to be. Yeah, 19,500. Let's see if it goes there. But we'll book it at 1 gem 1. We're not that daring.
let's hope up बस हो जाए I think
What's your entry?
what May 59 पे है but I think I might have taken थोड़ा ज़्यादा micros
It's
what's
fine.
$8 हाँ 8 ठीक है it's like
एक दो ज्यादा हो
it's
गया
all right हाँ एक दो ज़्यादा
Flash हो रही है
it's all
तेरी
right bro
PNL.
हाँ
Red, white and green in between.
yeah
Green, red, green.
it's so
Nice, Ross, nice.
alright trade idea it's like expectation based ही है मतलब sorry what we wanted मेरा हो तो I'm fine with this trade I think it's gonna work out वो high तक and 1 minute
We should push it now. We do not want this FPG to get respected.
Come on. Ja, bhag. This is where.
That is 22. Okay.
Nice.
I'll take it off at 476.
High?
Yeah. Just saying. I'm not gonna strain.
76. Oh, okay.
Come on, do not do this to us. Let's just push it for 2 points, 2 more points, and it will be 4th W in a row.
Edge कर रहा है.
By the way,
I
this
think that
risk घटा रहा हूँ मैं.
I might hold it
440.
थोड़ा सा और.
440 पे आ गया. SL moving to 440, not break even.
No, they're not gonna break it even quickly. Again, trade idea बढ़िया था. All right. 76
Risk
was
count
hit.
कर लो. 4 micros into 23 points. $200. I'm out actually. 76 टैप होता है ना.
हाँ,
इतनी
76 has been
स्क्रीन
tapped.
खोल ली है मेरे
I'm
में.
gonna hold up until the थोड़ा सा high because मैं थोड़ा late entry किया था. So
That's done for me.
थोड़ा सा I'm just gonna. ठीक है, I'm gonna hold it up until the high.
High of this
Should I
candle.
mean target hit हो गया लेकिन
it's
चल ठीक है
fine,
यार. Target hit हो गया
It
but
reverse from
ठीक
half
है,
the
it's
percentage of weak, then it will be a problem. But if you can hold it, hold it.
I can do
That's
this,
the
right?
reason why I
can
take it
set
off
my-
at the bodies, because your target always should be
Okay,
bodies,
right.
and SL should be
Yeah, right.
your, I mean, wicks.
हाँ,
And that is why I put SL at
Makes
wicks, targets at. So this was
All
the
right.
trade.
Yep. $600, not bad. My risk B was what? Wait, what's my entry? Just to confirm. My entry was 55. 55 and my stop was, I should have placed ये पता है मैं. अरे मैं इतनी जल्दी हुआ ना. And my stop was 22 points. Oh, it's a 1:1 तो बुक कर दिया ना मैंने यार. What was I thinking? मुझे पता नहीं क्यों लग रहा था कि मैंने बहुत ऊपर एंटर किया है. What was your entry?
54. 54.75.
54. Okay, मेरा एक ही पॉइंट ऊपर नीचे था. Oh, that's all right. Then we booked 1:1. That's good.
Yeah,
मुझे लगा था मैंने
1:1.
कम बुक कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा. ठीक है. All right, was a good day. $600 for the day.
Yeah.
Trade idea बढ़िया था. I think one thing which I should have done was मेरा रिस्क कितना हुआ 23. ज़्यादा रिस्क भी नहीं है यार. मैं क्यों वो ना असल में क्या हो रहा है. आई एम मुझे ES पे ना माइंड में बैठा हुआ है हाउ मेनी माइक्रोज हाउ मेनी पॉइंट्स जैसे हो जाता है ना. यू लर्न इट ऑल द पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस कि एक आइडिया हो जाता है. तो 23 दैट्स 60 हर अकाउंट पे 4 व्हाट्स 23 into 8 160 राइट. हाँ, तो मेरा रिस्क अगेन वाज नॉट उतना ह्यूज. Oh, could have held it to the high, but it's all right. 1:1 का plan था. Sticking to the plan is more important.
Sahil
अब
being
कुछ भी हो.
Sahil, could have held it to the high.
हाँ.
वो
Yeah.
कैंडल में तेरा
But-
निकल जाता है इस वाली में.
वो क्या लग रहा है क्या मैं चूतिया हूँ. क्योंकि again the plan was 1:1. We decided it. We followed the plan. That is the more important part. और runner break मैं runners नहीं छोड़ सकता क्योंकि मुझे literally जाके वहाँ पर अपना quantity change करनी होगी या मुझे macro set कर लूँगा मैं. So I can just click a button and sell half of the position and shit like that. और सिर्फ कितना मज़ा भी आएगा trade करने में. वो हाई को टेक आउट किया. Yeah, that was. भी अच्छी exit थी. And ES hasn't taken out the high. Let's go. 4th win for the week.
4 W in a row,
Might just
baby.
take Friday. I would just rather look at the markets instead of touching them.
Like this stream if you like this
decent.
trade, guys.
Yeah.
Really appreciate it. Subscribe if you are new as well. Let's get it to 500
Yes.
and we'll do something for you guys as well. Big giveaway. 500 subscribers.
Yes. A giveaway at 500 followers. Thank you guys for joining. और कुछ do you wanna I mean कुछ है नहीं अब करने के
What
लिए we
time it
found the
is?
trade.
Okay, let's be here for next 10 minutes and then we'll close it.
Yeah.
See you.
So you can guys can ask your question and stuff. Yeah,
Thank
Shami,
you.
thank you. Rocks, yeah, GG. GG. बट एंट्री अच्छी जगह थी आई वुडंट क्योंकि अभी अगर मैं हाइंडसाइट पे बोलूँगा जाके बोलूँ अच्छा एक 2 मिनट का फेयर वैल्यू गैप था बट दैट वाज राइट इनसाइड एक दूसरे 2 मिनट का फेयर वैल्यू गैप इन्वर्जन का वेट करना वाज अ गुड वो कॉल कि या वेट फॉर द इन्वर्जन टेक द एंट्री एंड जस्ट लेट इट राइड
Again, we got 5-minute FPG. I mean, those 5-minute FPGs. If we go down lower time frame, it will be more clear where market is going. I mean, higher time frame, yes, of course, but 5-minute. I was waiting for this FPG to get filled. You see what happened. This was 5-minute FPG. It's better to just look for inversions lower time frame.
Abhishek, जैसे न्यूज़ वाइड पे ना the thing which I follow is on ES. I even posted the model. I want to see ऑर्डर फ्लो को रिस्पेक्ट होता है तो जैसे अगर अभी जाओगे ना देखोगे आज बस एक चीज़ इसने नहीं की जो मैं मुझे चाहिए होती एक अच्छी परफेक्ट ट्रेड के लिए वो था कि कोई 4 घंटे से डिलीवरी देता ये पूरा मूव बट दैट वाजंट हैपनिंग तो दैट मीन कि अब मेरे पास ऑप्शन क्या ही बचे थे कि मैं या फिर 15 मिनट का रीबैलेंस का वेट करता इवन दैट डिड नॉट हैपन द रीबैलेंस टुक प्लेस अराउंड 9:15 को एंड आफ्टर दैट ES का नेक्स्ट जो 5 मिनट का फेयर वैल्यू गैप बना विच गॉट रिस्पेक्टेड was not inside my macro तो कुछ करने का पॉइंट नहीं था सो बस वेट करना था बस वेट करते रहो एंड अब अगर 5 मिनट का फेयर वैल्यू गैप बनता है द ओनली इशू इज इट्स 10:30 यू माइट बी एबल टू स्ट्रेच इट कि हाँ वहाँ पे एंट्री ले लो स्टॉप लॉस डाल के फॉर 1:2 या PM सेशन के रिवर्सल का वेट कर लो दैट इज वे बेटर
Let's go, cute Kevin. Nice one, GG. Short fail. I mean, unlucky. You are unlucky.
हाँ
It happens.
that's all क्योंकि if it was your model बढ़िया
Yeah, it's better to take entry.
Aniket, how did you miss it? How did you miss it? How did you miss it? Start में मैं to Discord पे.
Discord, you are getting it 10 seconds before the everybody on YouTube. अंबानी भी like 5 real freedom fighters तो तुम लोग हो फॉरेन से पैसा लूट रहे हो. Let's go. Do they have Indian flag in here?
यार नहीं यार fuck यार मैं क्या हूँ यार मैं I give up.
No recording?
I think नहीं मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया फिर मैंने पूरा I think it got botched up क्योंकि मैंने अपना वो मूव कर दिया था स्क्रीन. Let me just check अगर ढंग से रिकॉर्ड हुआ है या नहीं. यार if it is I'm done with OBS. I'm switching back to जो मैं पहले यूज करता था ना.
This is actually not Indian flag because we do have that blue Ashok Chakra in between, but this will do for now. Happy Independence
Just see
Day
my
to everybody.
recording.
Happy Independence Day. Yep, you always learn something.
Recording पहले से ही.
Anika, it's fine even if you get like 5 point slippage in three. Let's say if I entered on 54, you entered on 59. If my trade's gonna work out, it will go in one direction. Otherwise, it won't. You can adjust 5 points as well. Remember that. Do not go on tilt anymore. Just close the system. You have always tomorrow to trade.
ठीक है नहीं recording is fine. Oh.
Is it? Nice.
Yep, it's fine. It's well. Perfect है. ठीक है. अब I should have वो जब मैं प्रॉफिट और लॉस वाली चीज खुद से डाल दूंगा.
Yeah, इधर से रिकॉर्ड कर लेना.
हाँ.
Profit और
बात
loss
तो
वाला.
मैं नहीं PNL भी रिकॉर्ड हो गया वो जो नहीं होता एंट्री एंड एग्जिट वाली चीज I forgot to put it in. इतना इनके फास्ट I can't possibly manage everything. Okay, मतलब ठीक है.
Mostly.
And it doesn't need to be perfect. हाँ.
Yeah, it's fine as long
Not
as
everything.
we are putting good shit out. So money
Exactly.
stagnant. I think it will be stagnant for like next 1 hour, and after lunch it will start moving again, maybe in the other direction. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right, guys. What we do usually is that we wait for a. Sorry, I was distracted. So we wait for our trade. After our trade is done, we do not stream anymore. So we're gonna continue doing that because we don't want to sit around every like for 2-3 hours and lose our money. We shut down our system, go play games, do something else, sit with your friends. That's all we do.
My
कुछ
family is
पिछले
calling me for dinner.
पिछले कुछ दिनों से साहिल आ नहीं रहा खेलने को, वैसे थोड़ा
अरे
दुख होता
हाँ
है पर
यार,
कोई नहीं,
मैं
बिजी है लाइफ।
मैं सुबह आऊंगा मैं, क्योंकि अभी मैं मम्मा के पास जा रहा डिनर करने, मतलब वो बाहर है कहीं. I told them I have work, I cannot come, but अब they are sending the car to pick me up. घर वाले ही आते हैं भाई तरक्की के बीच में, याद रखना.
Okay, what let's play Valorant. If anybody wants to play it, just drop your IDs in DM. I'll play after
VK, I could
dinner.
have made it. Wait,
After dinner,
I can. I'll go to it here, yes. I got scanner clean and so fusing knife. Q, that's why I go for futures.
They do not, even if you trade news, they do not care. They will pass you. They do not care.
Exactly. And VK, don't you feel you could have made more profit if you held it? I could have, लेकिन अगर मेरा plan 1:1
See,
का
VK,
था.
one thing I'll tell you, easy enough. If I would have taken the longs from somewhere, let's see, here, I could have made lots of money. Here. Right, Sahil? If we took long from 19,166, we could have made it. It's a hindsight.
Exactly.
It's always a hindsight. Why do we have to wait for the more money until whatever we are making is enough? I think not enough, more than enough. $600, what?
And I think एक और जो चीज़ play करती है, for example yesterday I did hold my trade ज़्यादा, I let it go for 1:3 क्योंकि movement वैसा था. If you go right now and see, it's great, it is all green कि हाँ वो ऊपर push तो कर रहा है, but not the way I expected जैसा news push करना चाहिए. कि it would go up, then come up and down छोटे time span पे. Had it been a big push up, I would expect ठीक है अब वो high take out हो जाएगा. But why should I risk maybe let's say कितने points? 22, ठीक है मैं 10 point extra निकाल लेता. लेकिन उस 10 point के लिए why should I let go of the profits which I made? Especially जब मेरा RR भी match कर रहा है. If I'm getting a good RR, a good trade, then that's how I think. And I let it run थोड़ा सा extra वैसे भी in my head. तो
साहिल भाई फिर 600 बोल के मेरा गिव कर दिया.
Sorry. 150 money 150. Mentorship giveaway कर दो. कौन सा mentorship? We don't have a mentorship. We have a this thing it is free now.
Yeah, we have Discord. Once you join, it's free forever. We haven't charged anybody for like last 2 months. It's somebody who joins new, they gotta pay for after that. It's free. But it will not always be. But we are figuring out something. Let's see, because we are not giving back that much that we thought we would. Right? We are only giving live trades every day. That's the only thing we are doing.
Exactly.
We need to give much more for the kind of money we charge for. That is why. But
exactly.
Yeah, it will be expensive in the future as well. More expensive. But we'll see about that. I mean, let's see. हमें 100% का विनिंग रेट लेने दो, फिर हम चार्ज करेंगे.
Yes sir. And उसके अलावा if anyone wants to like genuinely learn या कोई questions होते हैं, you can hit us up ऐसे भी. It's not that हम मना कर रहे हैं.
On stream as well. After trades, before trades, you can ask anything.
क्योंकि अभी भी I think I'm easily giving हफ्ते का दिन के 1 या 1.5 घंटा कोई ना कोई random को जिसको questions होते हैं वो होता है. Of course कोई dumb questions लेके आओगे then of course मैं भी बोलूँगा कि नहीं, but it's ICT related या कुछ है. I think Kuldeep is one of them. Hey, so Kuldeep has been doing इतना बढ़िया. आई थिंक हाँ साहिल भाई आज अपना मॉडल हाफ बना 4 घंटे का सपोर्ट नहीं था हाँ सी कुलदीप द थिंग अभी मैं यही बता रहा था कि मेरी डिलीवरी फेयर नहीं थी कल उसने दे दिया था मॉडल ने ट्रेड बट पीएम सेशन पे दिया था सो वही चीज़ थी कि ठीक है मतलब पीएम सेशन इफ यू वांटेड टू ट्रेड इट कल कर सकते थे लेकिन इट्स ऑल राइट इवन एएम सेशन पे देयर वाज अ वे टू एंटर बट आई डू नॉट टेल पीपल टू डू इट बिकॉज वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा रिस्की है एंड यू विल मैस इट अप समटाइम्स तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है सेफ एंड स्लो
Nice get here. City is holding OB plus FPG. Nice one. You can actually get 503. Get out at that. Alright guys, that's a 10-minute after trade. We'll see you guys tomorrow. If you have any question, let us know in next 2 minutes. Otherwise, we will turn off the stream and see you guys tomorrow. We gotta be somewhere. Sahil gotta be gone. Alright, I think that's it. Trailing also nice. GG's. That's it from us, guys. Like the stream if you haven't. Subscribe if you're new. Thank you for joining. We'll try to do as we did it today every day. I mean, it's not certain, but yeah, we'll try our best. Thank you for joining. See you tomorrow. Trade safe. Stay safe. Goa कब चलना है? Soon, no money.